name's Fred Steeves, and I am the instructor for the Auto Collision Repair program here at Oxford Hills Technical School. You've probably seen some videos from some other programs, and your thing today is to kind of pick something you like, okay? And if you're somebody like me, when I was growing up, I liked cars. And you probably have realized that we have two programs in our school that deal with cars. We have an auto tech program that deals with under the hood things, brakes, tires, exhaust, drivetrain, alignments, make your car go, make your car stop. And sometimes the car doesn't stop like you want it to. And that's where auto collision comes into play. We are the auto body, welding, painting program here at the Oxford Hills Tech School.